average stress component, I mean, having a simple span of 12 meters is subjected to a first stressing force of 700 Newton. By what amount was the core of its span constituted after the application of the force applied 200 millimeters from the center of the machine? So you're going to compute. So is will be solving deflection. So for simply supported beam due to gravity loads, we know that the deflection is 5 over 84, di ba? 84. The maximum deflection is, or the deflection of the deflection span is 5 W L4 3 4 Online na deflection. But if you're nakalimutan, pwede na kita na. Pwede mo na kayo movement diagram. Due to gravity na na. Maumdi siya dito. So, ang ini pa this is WL squared over 8. Ayan movement diagram. So, karon, to solve for deflection, yung what is para kag mag-area movement, no? You will get the moment, or you will get the area of the moment times the program of moment at point A is a moment area. Okay. So this is sorry curve. This is equal degree na. Now if you are solving this, kasi pangalan yan yung curve. Diba kali is 100 na? Ang size pangalan niya. So ang formula ni buko pa sa area na isisikat yung binary formula na n plus 1 pH mo na yung area. Isisikat yung rate. Kita po n na to is 2 plus 1 pH. That is 2 third pH mo na yung area. 2 third pH. Then for the spandrel, so the formula is 1 and plus 1. That is 2 plus 1. That is 1 third pH. Then the location sa centroid. So sa centroid natin, natin. So this is yung location is 5 8 sa kanila. This is L, this is 5 8 L. Okay, then for the spandrel, n plus 2 lang ako, so more 1 per page. Okay, so isunod namin na ito. Yung deflection, para ito gamitin. So, para yung area no, katong harap area. No, area, this is L, this is L, so this is L over 2, no? So, area is 1 half W, no? W, L squared over 8 times na to sa L over 2. That's the area. Okay? Unang area mas, no? Pero, to get the deflection, ang probability is you need to move this from this point. So, kaya yung distance. Again, that is 5 over 8 times L over 2. So, wakang dagwan na. Kita po, i-break tayo sa ano? 5 over 8 times L over 2. So with that, we'll be able to get the deflection. And 60 divided by 8. Check daw yung area sa bus. So wala na mag-movement dahil. So yeah. So this is not 1/2. This is, sorry, should be over 84. And just meters per. Okay, so national. With that, ako na ka mo compute sa differential due to probability of time. Okay, and kani nga sample is applicable po sa stress. Okay, so kung i-compute, no, given naman siya, so the version is 5. So ang problem, W is 300. So wala given ng W, so but you can compute for the distributed load ng given ng area, and multiply ito sa equation. So with that, that is 23.54 times this one. 113.48. 113. Which is mm squared. And the mm squared siya for so divided no. 1000 squared. So 5W and 4 12,000. So yeah, this will work. 4. E is 4,775. Is ano siya? 2,775. 2,775. I is given also for the name 3204. Double check out. 5.18. That's the reflection. That's the reflection due to gravity loads. Alam mo yung business. This is onward 25.8. Reflection due to stress. So kita na to, ang load is, or free stress is resulta ng active resulta, wala siya na record. Kita mo, yung moment diagram na, nangyarap na. Kung yung moment diagram, kanino value is F times A. Kanino value? So yung maximum. So kila na siya? So is given ang force 700 times point. So this is 140 pm. So 700 ang force. This velocity is 22. So wala siya. Then same lang. This is A. This is B na. So what time? All lang ito na. All lang yung areas ko ma. That is 140 times 140 times L over 2 times L over 4 over EI. Center. 18.13. And that is positive na. So net diffraction, is equals to 5.19 plus 18.14. So muna siya, mahimo na something that's positive. Meaning that is going upward. So, para tagakuan, ikuha na itong area, sa tuna, this is number 2. Ikuha na itong area, then itong i-movement, one exit yung location sa centroid. And number 4, you have a moment about this, about A na. So, ito ito kuha niyo. Okay? Ang sa ito.